Hey guys, it's AppleHeIp, and I'm here to show you how to install and use Installous. First, go to your Cydia. Now go to Manage, Sources, Edit and add Cydia .haculo.us and add it. Okay. Once you've had it added, you search Installous 4 onto your search bar and install it from here. Okay, when it installs, go to your home page. It'll be on here, but I have it in here. Okay, and go on it, and all you do is just search any app, like Angry Birds, for example. Free app on this, but it's paid on real Appstore, 99 cents. All you do is just click on download, and any source. And just follow what it says. Okay, well, thanks for watching my video. Hope this helped. Bye.